We've had a cheesecake, but this lighter alternative is just as creamy and fit for the Easter Sunday dinner table. It's an Italian food tradition brought to us by our favorite, Marguerite Henderson, who oh so politely and kindly just helped me understand that I've been saying this incorrectly.
Well, it's
fine.
It's fine.
Teach us. Teach me.
People know what you're talking about. Because if I go into a store and ask for ricotta, and they're like, oh, you want ricotta? And I'm like, yeah, that's what I want. If you're in New York, they would not know what
kind
ricotta
of a soft
is.
G, ricotta?
Yeah, ricotta.
Ricotta.
Ricotta, like manicotti, ricotta. So anyway.
You have a really sweet food memory associated with this Italian cheese pie.
Yeah, so this is classic Italian. Sicilian because of the lemons and the oranges. And the ricotta we used to get back in New York is whole milk ricotta, which is what you want to use in this. And my mother would make it the day before because it tastes better the next day.
After it sits?
Right. So you could heat it up just for about 5 minutes in a 400-degree oven just to kind of get the crust crusty. But if you can't make this pie, then you're hopeless.
Careful, careful, you know who you're dealing with.
Look, this is it.
This is it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So there's just, the ingredients are, and I already have them mixed in here. 4 eggs.
Okay.
Half a cup of ground almonds. Now if you have a nut allergy in your family, just leave out the almonds. Some sugar, about 1/4 of a cup, I think. Some vanilla. And then the zest of a lemon, and I just use the whole lemon. So it's about a tablespoon of lemon zest.
Okay.
And so just zest it in there.
Lemon and orange.
And orange,
Yum.
because this is lemon and orange season in Sicily. I mean, the fragrance of the trees right now is amazing. And then about 1.5 pounds of ricotta. And I go to an Italian grocery store to get my ricotta, so. I go to Tony's Caputo's.
Okay.
He always has it.
Okay.
So you want to beat this and just get it for about a minute, just so it's all fluffy. And
so if you love cheesecake, you'll love this?
I hope so, yes.
You better.
You better. So you just beat it up until it's soft and fluffy.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
You're learning about our Studio 5 beaters who have a life of their own.
Actually, this is mine.
Oh, is this yours? Yours looks pretty energetic, too. Okay.
I don't know, maybe it's the power cord. It
could be.
All right, so I wasn't sure if you had one, so I brought my own.
Okay.
Pour it into a pie crust, which is from the store.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
What?
Pillsbury, my fave. Okay, you want to crimp the edges and put it. You could put it in a pie shell. You could also do this in a tart pan, but you know, if you're a little leery about getting a tart out of its pan, then you want to use a pie shell.
You're going to show us how you've done the edging? Yeah,
you just take your forefinger and a thumb and you just
pinch.
Pinch around. Now, it's going to rise, and it rises a good inch anyway. So now you can leave it like that and not do this, but I think this looks pretty. So what we're going to do is a lattice.
Okay.
And then just kind of do that.
You've got this down to a science. Of course you do.
Well, let's see.
Of course you do.
Yeah,
you know, just weave.
Yeah, a little basket weave going on here, and then when you finish with that, you want to just crimp the edges
just tuck them
again.
In. So you don't even cut them off. You just tuck them in.
No, just tuck them under.
Okay.
It's more crust the better, right?
Okay.
All right. This then has to be washed with an egg wash, so it gets a nice glaze on it.
And you've sprinkled, is that powdered sugar on top?
Over there, I have, yeah. So the egg wash is just 1 egg with some heavy cream in there.
Before you bake it.
Before you bake it, right on the lattice.
Okay.
So this goes into a 350-degree oven for 1 hour.
And you bake it then, ideally, like you said, let it set.
Yeah, you could do this on Saturday for Easter Sunday. I mean, and actually this would make a perfect brunch dish because it's got the eggs, ricotta, not terribly sweet.
Sure.
And then this goes right into the oven. 1 hour, it will puff up, let it cool down, put it in the refrigerator, have it the next day, put a little powdered sugar on it.
Delicious.
The essence of lemons and oranges and almonds. It's like Sicily calling at you.
Oh, delicious. Look at that finished display too. So stunning, so pretty. It will pretty up your Easter table and make everyone around that table nice and happy. The ricotta pie.
Ricotta pie.
Better?
Yes.
Softer and slower, but better.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Marguerite.
Thank you.